Hey there, it's Steve and Peg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do. We are near Boston at the Residence Inn by Marriott. What town are we in?
In Concord. Well, Boston Concord is the name of it.
And we pulled in here, and it looks like it's a newer building, or at least a new building. We're going to check it out. So let's go inside and see what we've got.
This is what they consider a studio.
Right.
So right here, we always usually start the living room area.
Right.
I think this is supposed to sleep 3.
So I think that this is a hide-a-bed or a
Let's
pull-out.
see.
And I am
Yep.
correct. Yep,
Yep.
this is a pull-out, so you can sleep 2 on this. And then you've got a king-size bed to sleep 2 on as well. We'll get to that in a second here. But you got a hide-a-bed, then you've got a side table that actually pulls over, and you can almost use that for a work table as you're sitting on the couch. But they do actually have a desk here, which I like. They have a work desk with outlets that you can plug into. There's USB on there, isn't there?
Oh, USB-A, yes.
Yeah, USB-A.
Yeah.
They got a big television that is actually mounted, so you can either go near the couch or near the. Now, I will say it's not level, but that's okay. And then we come over here. There's your air conditioning. It's controlled on the wall, not on the window unit. Some of them are controlled on the window unit. This one's controlled on the wall. King size bed. I do like the headboard, by the way, with end tables on both sides. You like the end tables on both sides. We've
I
been in
do.
some rooms that don't have an end table on one side.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got USBs in both the lamps, USBs and regular plugs in both the lamps on both sides.
Right there.
Yep.
And there's a couple drawers here on each side if you want to store items.
Mm-hmm.
And then at the desk, there are 3 drawers also.
Yeah, I got to be honest, if you're just using this for one night, you're probably not going to use the drawers at all,
Right.
but they are there if you want them. Walking in here, you've got a closet area going into the bathroom. And I think there's probably going to be a safe in here. Not on that side, but there's the bedding for the hide-a-bed. No safe.
On the other side, there is a chest of drawers.
Mm-hmm. Which kind of surprises me that's like hidden back over here. They do have a light here, so that it's kind of like a dressing, but you think it'd be a dressing area, this would be a mirror, and it's not a mirror. Let's go into the, well, there's your mirror behind you, actually. Full-size mirror. Bathroom. Just a single sink. It's small, and again, this is a smaller room. So you've got a single sink, mirror. It is a backlit mirror. And you've got the toilet around behind the door. So just keep that in mind. It's behind the door, so they hid it there.
And it's got wallpaper.
Nice wallpaper. It's textured wallpaper. Let's do the shower test, honey.
Yep.
So it's
Heavy-duty doors.
Yeah. And it is quite tall enough and quite large, actually. In here, and you like the fact that the handles are on this side
Yes.
and not over here,
Yes.
so you can reach in and start them without getting soaked.
And it's got the ledge for your shaving your legs.
Mm-hmm. So they've got the bottles up there for the soaps. They've got the shampoo and the conditioner, and also the body soap in the bottles. So they don't have the little tiny takeaway bottles that they used to have.
So we always do the kitchen last. This is actually a studio apartment,
So
honestly.
It actually is. So you can actually cook in here. Seating for 2 there, but you've got a nice counter, small sink. It's got an induction stove. It's got a dishwasher, apartment-sized fridge and freezer with an ice maker, no less, and a microwave. So you've got all the things that are going to stay here for multiple nights. You can cook in here if you want. And just turn this into an apartment for a couple, 3 days, or a couple, 3 weeks, depending on what you need. So what do you think, honey? Do you like it?
I really like it. If you want to open the drawers in the kitchen, I always like to see what they give you.
Silverware.
Oh, silverware.
Yep. Full set of silverware, pot holders. They've got a full set of cooking utensils. Nothing there. There's your pots and pans. And it's non-stick, honey, just so you're happy. Underneath there, you got your extra trash can, extra paper towels rather, and a scrub mommy. Mixing bowl, colander, and then your probably plates and Dishes are over here. Yep.
Right, plates,
They're
real
all in
plates,
there.
real dishes.
Mm-hmm.
And also there is sort of like a Keurig, but not a Keurig. It's just a 1-cup coffee maker.
Yeah.
But they do also supply you coffee and some tea.
And guess what?
What? Salt and pepper shaker.
Salt and pepper. You know how many places I go to that don't give you salt and pepper? These are probably wasted space up here. Yep. Yep. Oh, your toaster's up here, by the way. So maybe not so wasted. Yep. Yeah, and it's wasted space up there. So what do you think?
It's really nice.
They got a mirror right behind you, and you can see, check yourself as you're walking out.
And a place to put your phone.
Mm-hmm. Put your phones here, USB, and then a couple plugs. You can sit your phones here. So there you go. The Residence Inn by Marriott, just outside of Boston. Again, the town is?
In Concord.
So if you're in this direction and you want to check it out, it's actually a really, really nice room and a really nice hotel. Thanks for watching us. Have yourself a magical day.